everyone, hope you all are doing great and I'm good. Welcome back to the second part of our resin crafting boat tutorial. In this segment, we'll dive deeper into the exciting process of creating your very own resin boat. If you've been following along from the first part, you already have a solid foundation. And now, it's time to take this project to the next level. We'll be exploring essential techniques, tips and tricks that will help you achieve a stunning finish and bring your vision to life. Resin crafting is a beautiful way to encapsulate memories and emotions. And what better way to celebrate the love journey than by creating a wooden boat that symbolizes the voyage of two hearts? As we embark on this creative endeavor, we gather various elements in our first part that represent our shared journey. Once we had assembled all the elements, the next step is to pour the resin, sealing our cherished memories with this in the boat. So, let's get started on this creative journey together. This process is both thrilling and nerve-wracking, as we carefully mix the resin and hardener, ensuring that every detail is preserved. As the resin flows over the items, it creates a glossy finish that enhances their beauty and significance. This act of pouring resin becomes a metaphor for our love, fluid, transformative, and capable of preserving the essence of our journey. Watching the resin settle, we are reminded of how our love has evolved, solidifying into something strong and enduring. Finally, we'll wrap up this part of the tutorial by discussing the curing process and how to properly give a finishing look to your boat once it's set. I'll provide tips on finishing touches enhance the overall look of your creation. Plus, I'll share some ideas for personalizing your boat, whether it's adding calligraphic words or incorporating unique elements that reflect your style. I'm excited to share how this project turned out, so enjoy the progress. Let's make some waves in the world of resin crafting together. Honestly, seeing this transformation is so rewarding. If you enjoyed watching this journey unfold and maybe got inspired to tell your own story with resin, do me a huge favor, hit that like button. And if you're struggling with getting that perfect shine on your resin projects or have a unique color combo you're dying to try, drop your biggest challenge or idea in the comments below. I love hearing from you guys. We are going to use some painting stencils also. These are made of quality PET material, flexible and sturdy, easy to clean and dry, not easy to break or deform, washable and reusable. They can be used repeatedly after washing and is easy to store. These Valentine painting templates can help you create art paintings and DIY crafts more easily. Just place the stencil on the surface you want, then draw with various paints, such as acrylic paints, chalk paint, spray paint, small brush, airbrush paint, and module paste. I'm using here modeling paste. Modeling paste is a thick, opaque white medium, typically a blend of acrylic polymer emulsion and marble dust. It is used to build heavy 3D textures, relief, and sculptural forms on rigid surfaces. When it will dry, we will get a hard, matte finish. This is a premium quality gold metallic pearl pigment, also known as floating pigment. This powder-based mica powder gives metallic shiny effect while mixing with resin or spread on any binding surface like this paste. This pigment can be also mixed with binder to paint the edges. To add a personal touch, we incorporate calligraphy into our creation, inscribing lines that reflect our childhood love and the deeper connection we've nurtured over time. These words serve as a reminder of the innocence of young love and the maturity of our current relationship, bridging the gap between the past and present. The elegant script flows alongside the elements beside the boat, creating a harmonious blend of art and sentiment. Each line we choose resonates with our shared experiences, capturing the essence of our journey, from youthful romance to the profound bond we share today. Up and down scattered calligraphy is a captivating art form that adds a unique flair to written communication. This style emphasizes the balance of calligraphic words, creating a visual rhythm that draws the eye and engages the viewer. By varying the height and placement of letters, we can convey emotions and themes in a dynamic way, making each piece not just a message but a work of art. This playful approach encourages creativity and allows for personal expression, transforming ordinary text into something extraordinary. Moreover, the importance of maintaining balance in scattered calligraphy cannot be overstated. A well-executed design ensures that the viewer's attention is evenly distributed across the piece, preventing any one area from overwhelming the others. This balance enhances readability while still allowing for artistic flair, making the text both beautiful and functional. Embracing this technique can inspire others to explore their own creativity, fostering a community of calligraphy enthusiasts who appreciate the delicate interplay of form and function in their work. I carefully write down lines that reflect our journey, from the innocent days of childhood love that is puppy love to the deeper, more profound connection we share now, what the Greeks call pragma. These words flowing gracefully across the surface serve as a reminder of our growth and the evolution of our relationship. They encapsulate the essence of our love story, making the wooden boat not just a decorative piece, but a heartfelt testament to our enduring affection. Now applying the gold pearl dust mixed resin on the Cupid. The golden dust sparkle associated with Cupid and scattered in a wooden love boat symbolizes the divine, magical, and often chaotic influence of love. This imagery, which evokes a sense of stardust or enchanted pollen, carries several deep, romantic, and allegorical meanings. Some contexts, this cascade of gold dust suggests the positive, warm emotions of love, memory, and happiness. Varnishing calligraphic words written on wood is essential for preserving the beauty and integrity of your artwork. A good varnish not only enhances the vibrancy of the acrylic colors, but also provides a protective layer against dust, moisture, and UV light. This means that your carefully crafted letters will remain sharp and vivid over time, allowing your artistic expression to shine through without fading or deteriorating. Plus, the glossy finish can add a professional touch, making your calligraphy stand out even more. In addition to aesthetic benefits, varnishing also helps to seal the wood surface, preventing any potential warping or damage that could occur from environmental factors. This is particularly important for wooden surfaces as they can be susceptible to changes in humidity and temperature. By applying a varnish, you ensure that your calligraphic pieces not only look stunning but also last for years to come. So, whether you're creating a personalized gift or a decorative piece for your home, don't skip the varnish. It's a simple step that makes a world of difference. As a final flourish, we draw golden lines connecting the Cupid statue to the couple's golden heart, symbolizing the divine love that has guided us through our journey. With a golden marker pen firstly, and then with golden dust pigments mixed resin, we will shape this thread. This golden thread signifies the magic of love, illustrating how it intertwines our lives and leads us toward a shared destiny. The shimmering lines reflect the joy and warmth we find in each other, reminding us that love is not just a destination, but a continuous journey. Through this resin crafting project, we celebrate our love story, cherishing the past while looking forward to the adventures that lie ahead. This artistic flourish symbolizes the divine spark that ignited our romance, and the journey we continue to navigate together. The golden lines shine brightly, reminding us that love is not just a destination, but a journey filled with twists and turns. This golden thread, or cords, also remind us that an invisible cord is connected between us eternally. As we complete our resin crafting project, we feel a sense of fulfillment, knowing that this wooden boat will forever hold the essence of our love story. A cherished keepsake that we can look back on for years to come. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today and crafting this story. I hope this inspires you to look at your own memories and think about how you can preserve them in art. We will come very soon with our next unique project. Until then, keep creating. Bye guys, have a wonderful day. Take care. Jai Shiv Shakti.